Hello and welcome to this session on trading economic news. We're just going to get ready for the report that's going to be announced shortly. As usual, we start off with the economic calendar. Today is Thursday, the 10th of June. Again, my time zone here is GMT +2. And looking at the calendar, we know that at 1:45 p.m., which is in about 4 minutes, and 1:45 p.m., we have the European Central Bank interest rate decision, which will obviously have a severe impact on the European stock market and currencies paired with the euro. And since we're trading the euro US dollar, we're going to take note of that. At 2:30 also, we have the last report of high importance today, the US inflation rate. But in view of interest rates are of very high significance when it comes to currency trading. So because of this interest rate decision at 1:45, we're not going to wait for the 2:30 US report. We're going to start trading the euro US dollar now. But for all other currency pairs like the dollar, Canadian dollar, we'll wait till 2:30 before we trade that. So let's go to the charts. So looking at the 5-minute time frame, we can see the market is currently trending sideways. It's broken S1, so at the moment we can't use S1 to trade. But you can see the pivot point is clearly out of the sideways trend. So we're going to place a pending buy order just above the pivot point. So let's do that. So the pivot point is 1.21886. So I'll round that up to 1.2189. So plus 2 pips would be 1.2191. So 89 plus 2 is 91. So 1.2189. 20 pips stop loss, 1.2169. And 60 pips profit limit will be, just getting out the calculator, that will be 2189 plus 60. So that will be 2249. So 1.2249. So there we are. So we've got the pending buy order. 1.2, sorry, I made a mistake. It's 2189 plus 2. So that's 1.2192, sorry. So that's 2192. So stop loss is 2172. And this would be 2252. Okay, so one has to pay attention to detail, because obviously you want the market to have broken the pivot point before it takes your pending buy order. And of course, like I said, because the market is trending sideways along S1 and has broken S1, if the market falls, at the moment we can't use S1 to sell, and we don't use S2 to trade using the pivot point strategy. And the market itself hasn't formed the market support, so there are no sell opportunities at the moment, just a buy just above the pivot point. So the report is going to be announced in a minute. So it's now 1:45. So let's see what happens. So we can see the market currently reacting to the report, and it's going up. But it hasn't broken the pivot point yet. Now, because of the US inflation rate report that is due out at 2:30, if the market takes my order here, the buy order, I will only have one attempt leading up to the US inflation report at 2:30. So basically, I only have one attempt at the market between now and the US report at 2:30. Okay, so that's the plan for today. We'll see what happens, and we'll take it from there. Any questions?